Hello everyone, welcome to Geometry of Vision course. This is week 0 trial discussion session with me, Prerak. Via Marif. I will conduct weekly discussion sessions with you, learners, and recording of this discussion sessions with me will be uploaded on the YouTube channel. The link of the YouTube channel I have mentioned in this presentation. So, what are we going to discuss in these discussion sessions? So, mostly we will be discussing problems from weekly assignments, and we may also discuss any question that you guys may have. Okay, so for the trial, let's see what are the questions I'm going to discuss. So, for example, if two distinct lines in R3 do not intersect, then they are parallel. So we need to verify that whether this statement is true or false. So in particular, this statement is false because the condition that is given is true if the lines are given in a plane. Okay, so for example, in a plane, if two lines intersect, then they are not parallel to each other. But in R3, it might be happen that two non-parallel lines may not intersect each other. Okay, so this statement is false. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. So if a line and a plane, both in R3, do not intersect, then they are parallel. So we have given that a line and a plane in R3 and they are not intersecting to each other. Okay. So then the question is line and the plane are parallel to each other. And it is true because if if they are not parallel, then they will intersect at some point. Okay. So yeah. So that's the answer. Now let's move on to the next question, which is that if line L is parallel to the plane phi, then there is some line L prime in phi that is parallel to L. That's correct because the plane is given to be parallel to the line. So you can always find out a line in that plane phi which is parallel to the given line L prime. So now another question which says that suppose L is a line in R3 and a point P uh, doesn't lie on L. So how many lines through P are parallel to L? So this line and the point is given in R3. Okay. So we can only have one line parallel to the given line to L. Okay, because in some sense we are going to shift this given line to the point. Okay. And this shifting is a linear transformation. So we are shifting linearly to this point and this in order to make it parallel. So there is only one way to do that. You cannot rotate this or because you need to preserve the parallelism of the lines. Okay, so there is only one possibility. Okay, so that's all for the trial run, and I hope I have made you understand what will be the question that I will be discussing and how will the discussion will go on. So I might use uh, uh, something to draw on the slides while presenting. So this is just a trial session to see how things uh, are gonna run. Okay, and it might be possible that I might not discuss questions which is true and false type or multiple choice. It might be some descriptive type question also. It will depend on the instructor how he's going to pose questions in the assignment. Okay, so thank you for joining. And if you are watching on the YouTube, uh, this is the channel you have to subscribe if you want to look forward to the other sessions also. Bye.